In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bio page on card.co. A bio page is a simple one-page site that introduces who you are and what you do, and Card makes this quick, clean, and mobile-friendly. We'll keep it straightforward and build something polished in just a few minutes. Start by logging into your Card account and creating a new site. When the editor opens, head to the Templates section and choose the Bio or Profile category. Browse through the options and pick a template that matches your vibe. Maybe something minimal for a professional look, or something bolder if you're going for a creative feel. Templates are optimized for phones by default, so you won't have to worry about how it looks on smaller screens. Selecting a template gives you a solid structure to start from and saves you time you'd otherwise spend arranging blocks from scratch. Next, customize the content. Replace the placeholder image with your profile picture. Use a clear, well-lit photo, ideally a square crop, so it fits neatly in most layouts. Update your name, then add a short headline that explains what you do in a line or two. Think job title, specialty, or a concise tagline that sets expectations right away. For your bio, write 2 or 3 sentences that highlight your background, the value you bring, and a touch of personality. Keep it scannable, use everyday language, and avoid jargon. If the template shows extra filler text, delete anything you don't need so the page stays focused. Now refine the style and layout. Open the settings for colors, fonts, and spacing. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand and ensures good contrast for readability. Dark text on a light background is a reliable choice. Pick one primary font and, if needed, a simple secondary font for headings to create hierarchy without clutter. Adjust font sizes so your name and headline are easy to read at a glance. Tweak spacing around sections to give the content room to breathe, and align the layout so nothing feels cramped. Use the preview to quickly check how everything looks on mobile and desktop and make small adjustments until it feels balanced. When you're happy with the design, click publish, follow the prompts, and set a short, memorable URL. Once it's live, open the link to confirm everything looks the way you expect. You can return to the editor anytime to refine your text, swap images, or adjust styles as your brand evolves. That's it. Your bio page on Card is ready to share.